Here we shitting go again. Oh, I love food. I'm a massive food. I'm a massive foodie and I'm massive. But why? Why do this to a foodie? Who wants to do that shit? I get why you scoop the middle out, because obviously it's got the stalky bit in it, like Sainsbury's. They leave the stalk in their pre-packed sandwiches. It's disgusting. No, it never turns out like that, does it, love? Come on, this is 5-minute craft piss poor editing. Oh, you're getting me stressed. That never happens, because we're all not dozy twats and we all know how to tie it up properly. Oh yeah, that makes me jump around, yeah! What a load of crap. Oh my god. The brain cells being leached from me. Nasty.